At a large multi-entity health system, manual abstraction for NSQIP cases was slow, costly, and prone to error. With over 22,000 cases annually across 14 hospitals, each taking about 30 minutes to abstract, the workload was immense, more than 11,000 hours of labor every year. When an experienced abstractor began using Carta Healthcare's Lighthouse platform, the transition wasn't easy. While deeply experienced and clinically sharp, she was skeptical. She didn't trust the AI at first and double-checked everything. It was a different way of working, and she wasn't ready to let go of the rigor she knew was essential. But she saw potential. She met with Carta Healthcare's product team, shared detailed feedback, and worked closely with engineering to refine the platform. Her clinical expertise was critical. She knew when something didn't look right, and her input helped shape Lighthouse into a tool she could rely on. That's the power of hybrid intelligence. AI alone wasn't enough. It took the combination of machine efficiency and human clinical judgment to deliver the results this health system needed for clinical data abstraction accuracy and speed. Today, she trusts Lighthouse completely. For complex cases, she even uses it as a second set of eyes, double-checking occurrences as well as catching subtle details like post-op medications that might otherwise slip through. As she puts it, Lighthouse doesn't replace my judgment, it enhances it. The impact has been dramatic. Abstraction time per case dropped from 30 minutes to 15 to 22 minutes, resulting in an annual time savings between 3,667 and 6,050 hours of clinician time. Data quality improved and IRR scores were consistently at 99%. They also achieved substantial cost savings. For this health system, hybrid intelligence was essential and delivered a positive return on investment rapidly, contributing to improved quality and patient outcomes.